I am your response to interventionist, Miss Tessie Sanders Madlock. Let me get my slide going this morning. First, share my screen. First rule of thumb. And today is lesson 9 of identifying details. This lesson will be for our beginning to intermediate language learners. Again, we're going to take a look at a very short story. And this lesson can be for beginning language learners that are kindergarten through 12th grade, or at the adult education literacy level for adult ESL. Our content objective in today's lesson is designed for the sole purpose of students being able to take a short reading passage and use text evidence to locate key details. Let's take a look at what identifying details is. Do you have your readers? Great. Put them on, put them on. Look at key 1. When we read, it is important to focus on the key details in the story. Key details are important places or pieces, Key details are important pieces of information that move the story forward. So you must look into the story and use text evidence to support your answer. Key details connect to the rest of the story. Key details relate to the main idea. Look at key 2. It is important to apply pencil paper application. Yes, I know that in most states we've moved to testing online, but we can't abandon pencil paper application. So you want to circle, you want to underline key pieces of information. Here's my contact slide. This is how you can touch bases with me. Here's my YZant account. And here is my email address. Let me escape. Now let's get started with today's lesson. Here is our resource that we will be using. Even though it says first grade, this is still a beginning language learner lesson. Trying to get that for you focused so that you can order the book if you wish. There you are. Now let's take a look at identifying details. Let me get my camera straight. First, go ahead and put your first and last name on your document. I'm going to get my colored pens ready. Let me get my pens. Good deal. Get your colored pens or your colored overlays if you need them. Write your first name. Oh, my pen doesn't want to work. Let me get another pen. Write neatly. Don't do like Professor Madlock. I'm having pen challenges. Write your last name. Make sure that you have a capital letter on your first name and you started your last name with a capital letter. And this is an example. Make sure all of the letters are written on the line, lowercase, nice and neat. Take a look at your title. Your title is Mercury. Let me hear you say Mercury. Mercury. Let's look at some details in this story. You do what I do. I'm going to skim the passage and circle repeated information, meaning repeated words or details that I see over and over and over again. I see Mercury in my title. Mercury. Oh, look, planet, planet. Look at the picture. Circle this text feature. Could Mercury be a planet? Let's see. Sun, Sun, Mercury, planet, Mercury, planet, Mercury. Let's review from the top what we've circled. Let me hear you. Mercury, Mercury, planet, sun, planet, sun, Mercury, planet, Mercury, planet, Mercury. And take a look at the rocket ship. So Mercury must be Mercury is a rocket ship? No, Mercury is a planet. Great. We know that this passage could possibly be about Mercury, the planet. Let's read our 4 questions before reading the little short story. Are you ready? Question 1. Let me hear you read. Is Mercury hot or cold? Circle the word. Number 2. Read. Is Mercury close to the sun or far away? Number 3. Read. Is Mercury a big planet or a small planet? Number 4. Is Mercury smooth or bumpy? Let's read the story. Follow along as I read aloud and think aloud. Change my pen color. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Underline that detail. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Is Mercury close to the sun or, take a look at this question, look at 2. Is Mercury close to the sun or far away? Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. So we will write capital Q, period, 2. This stands for question 2. You do what Professor Matlock does. Let's keep reading. It is also the smallest planet. Is Mercury hot or cold? Is Mercury a big planet or a small planet? It is also the smallest planet. Let me see if I can choose this color. Let me choose a different. I want you to see what's going on. It is the smallest planet. I'll put a box around this one. And I will write, which question is this? 3. Capital Q, period 3. Remember, we are focused on identifying details. You must use text evidence to support your answers. The answers will always be in the story, even if you must make an inference, meaning think about what you are reading. Let's keep reading because it is Because it is so close to the sun, it is very hot. Oh, let me see if I can't find some more colorful pens. It is close to the sun. It is very hot. Is Mercury hot or cold? Oh, I will put a box around this. You will put a box around this statement. And here, write Q, a capital Q, 1. Stay with me. Let's keep reading. Mercury is also a very heavy planet. Is Mercury close to the sun? Is Mercury hot or cold? Is Mercury a big planet or a small planet? Is Mercury smooth or bumpy? Mercury is a bumpy planet. Should we underline this detail? Smooth my desk off there. I hear yes, we should underline this detail. Mercury is a bumpy planet. I'm going to put a box around this. And I'm going to draw an arrow out. And I'm going to write capital Q period 4. Your paragraph should look like Professor Matlock's paragraph. Let's keep reading. It has many craters, very large holes. Oh, I like to pay attention to context clues. Circle craters. Craters are very large holes. See the large holes? See the craters in the planet? Good. It has many craters, very large holes on its surface. One day on Mercury is as long as 58 days on Earth. Ooh. One day on the planet of Mercury is like 58 days on Earth. That's a lot of days, isn't it? Just for one day. Now, take a look. Your job is to circle the answer, the correct answer. I will not reveal the answers in today's session. Your professor may wish to take a grade. But if you were identifying details and your passage looks like Professor Matlock's passage, I think you're going to do quite well. Number 1, is Mercury hot or cold? Circle the word hot or cold. Only circle one word. According to the text, Mercury is, take a look in your passage. Where did you find number 1? Number 2, is Mercury close to the sun or far away? Circle close or circle far. According to the text, Mercury is, go back to the story and locate the detail to help you answer number 2. Number 3, is Mercury a big planet or a small planet? Circle big or circle small. Go back into the story to locate the right answer. Use text evidence. Last question, number 4. Is Mercury smooth or bumpy? Circle smooth or circle bumpy. Go back into the story and use text evidence to answer number 4. Great job today on identifying details. Excellent work. I hope that you have a good grade. Now let's close today's session. I don't know what that is on my desk. Can you tell I'm just a real teacher? Keep it 100. Yes. Love it. Love it. Let's read our sight words quick, 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 quick. Are you ready? Our first picture is an ant. Ant. What is the word? Good. Bee. 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 Good. Read the word. Ball. 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 Excellent. Next word. Bat. 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 Excellent. Bear. 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 Bird. 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 Boat. 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 Box. 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 Bus. 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 Car. 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 Nice. Cat. Cat. Cow. Cow. Cup. Cup. Dog. Dog. Great. Duck. Duck. Egg. Egg. Fan. Fan. Fish. Fish. Fox. Fox. I'm listening for the phonics. The long and short vowels. Frog. Frog. Good. Goat. Goat. Hat. Hat. Hen. Hen. Good. Jar. Jar. King. 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 Kite. Kite. Bug. 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 Lion. Lion. Lock. Lock. Moon. Moon. Owl. Owl. Good. Open the mouth. Ring. 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 Rug. Rug. Sock. Sock. You did a great job today on identifying details and in reading your sight words, increasing your vocabulary and your reading rate. I'll back out of this. It's time for me to go. I do hope that you have a great rest of learning day for your accelerated instructional time. I am your response to interventionist for both reading and math. Happy Learning Day.